Hello, welcome to another exciting series. In today's lecture, we would be solving a simple question in mathematics: substitution into formula. Right, so we have the equation here, or the question here. So find the value of z in the expression z equals the fraction h squared divided by h minus I, when h equals 6.5 and I equals 6, right? So this is simple. We basically have to insert the values into the equation, right? So into the expression, right? So let's quickly do this. All right, so solution. So you first state the expression, which is z equals the fraction h squared divided by h minus I, okay, where h is equal to 6.5 and I equals 6, right? So when you insert the values into the expression, you're going to get z equals 6.5 squared divided by the fraction, or the denominator, 6.5 minus 6, right? So 6.5 minus 6 would give you 0.5, right? 0.5. That's for the denominator, right? And 6.5 square is similar to 6.5 times 6.5 again, right? So that one would give you 42.25, okay? So we are going to get our expression as z equals 42.25 divided by 0.5, which is going to give you z equals 84.5 as our final answer, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.